The VR headset wars have begun. Samsung Galaxy XR takes on Apple Vision Pro. The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy XR, the tech giant's answer to Apple's Vision Pro, has finally arrived. Unveiled during a recent Galaxy event livestream, this Android-powered VR headset sheds its mysterious Project Muhan moniker after 10 months of speculation. But here's the kicker. It's priced at $1,799.99, nearly half the cost of its Apple counterpart. Available now, but where? Ready to dive into the world of Android VR? The Galaxy XR is exclusively available for purchase through Samsung.com or at Samsung Experience stores in the US and South Korea. As of this writing, November 4th is the earliest delivery date for eager American buyers. A pricey entry point, but let's address the elephant in the room. $1,799.99 is a significant investment. However, it's crucial to note that this is significantly less than the $3,499 price tag of the Apple Vision Pro. And this is the part most people miss. Samsung sweetens the deal with a limited-time Explorer pack valued at over $1,140, including subscriptions to Google AI Pro, YouTube Premium, Google Play Pass, Com Premium, and Adobe's Project Pulsar. Specs breakdown. What's under the hood? The Galaxy XR packs a punch with its Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, 16 GB RAM, and 256 GB storage. Its Micro-OLED display boasts a stunning 3552 by 3840 pixel resolution, with refresh rates up to 90 Hz. Imagine experiencing UHD 8K video playback at 60 frames per second within a 109-degree horizontal and 100-degree vertical field of view. Accessories. Essential add-ons or hidden costs. While the headset comes with a protective cover, forehead cushion, light shields, power cable, battery pack, charger, and lens cloth, some essential accessories are sold separately. The controllers and travel case, for instance, will set you back an additional $249.99 each. Glasses wearers. Take note. Prescription lenses compatible with the Galaxy XR are available for $99.99 through iBuyDirect. The controversy. Is Samsung playing catch-up? While the Galaxy XR offers impressive specs and a more accessible price point, some argue that Samsung is playing catch-up to Apple's established ecosystem. The Vision Pro, despite its higher cost, benefits from Apple's seamless integration with its other devices. What do you think? Is the Samsung Galaxy XR a game-changer for Android VR, or is it too little, too late? Does the lower price point make it a more attractive option than the Vision Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.